Welcome to the course Pojagi Inspiration Quilt by Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I'm sure you're going to love this project. For the Pojagi Inspiration Quilt, you're going to need 5 different fabrics to use in the blocks and then other fabric for the sashing and the border. You can do the sashing and the border with one of the fabrics that's from the blocks if you prefer that. So when you're choosing your fabrics, you can choose different colors, you can choose a monochromatic scheme. You just want to look for a variety of light and dark so that there's enough contrast. So these are the colors I'm going to be using in my sample, and you can see that there is light and dark as well as color variation. So this should have a lot of interest in the project. These are all batiks from the same fabric line, Poetic License by Island Batik, but it doesn't have to be batik. You can use any fabrics for this quilt. It looks great in solids or in prints.